Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon to the RAs. Good afternoon to the admin. To the Republicans. Good afternoon. All protocol observed. I have a concern here. I left my pot in the kitchen. Not even for 3 days. Not even for 3 days. How? Yesterday morning, I'm going to check it. My pot is nowhere to be found. My hot pot. Do you know how much hot pot is, Mara? Okay. If you take my pot, what do you expect me to eat? Even if I eat takeouts, I can't eat them every day. Nikome poto ra mina, guys. Vuyisani poto ra mina. Tingapresani. Enwe, nikome poto ra mina. That's all I want. My pot. Ambo vuyisana vusiku. We can put it back at night. It's fine. When no one sees you, it's fine. Mina, all I want is my pot. Or at least DM me, okay? I won't do anything. Na poto ra mina ka ntwandlala nifene ndayini. Hayi khona ene noma Limpopo recess yafika sweswo loko ro nga vuyi poto ra mina I ta ri vuyisa swi vona loko recess yi hela I ta ri vuyisa poto ra mina yes ene hi le ka block C2 because the people on my floor are not saying anything, so maybe it's you guys who passed by. Please bring back my pot. All I want is my pot, please.
Hello everyone and welcome to Mzansi's Finest Videos. This is Davis Mkhomu. Hope you're enjoying yourself and all are safe on the road because of this rain. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I will appreciate that a lot.
One difference, difference tota. The celebrities in Botswana are the epitome of for the people. The epitome of fame doesn't change us, Betuna. They just blend in with the community. You wouldn't know it's a celebrity. South African celebrities get the international deals, dimension, the exotic cars. Meanwhile, Botswana celebrities are complaining on the Facebook about how we don't support local. We only support them once they make it in South Africa. And it's like, oh, but Tongchoni, I saw you in Choppies last week and I said, hi, don't do that. We do support local Mzansi, it's I bought my mom a car. My first ever Rolex. Botswana, who can do this logo for me for free? I'll pay you month end. I'm looking for 3 models. I'll give them free match. Heaven. Just saying, the discipline and financial wisdom that celebrities in Botswana have, inspirational. Botswana is blessed. The celebrities are within the people, Pagati inside with them. Do you understand?
That's nice.
On the same streets, in the same hood, standing in the same queues, complaining about the exact same economy. Iconic. Jokes, guys, please. Mitis. Anxiety and stuff. You don't know because you live in Botswana. I'm kidding you.
I'm just going to say this. Congratulations to South African people. Congratulations to you people. You people are the only people that respect African football. You people are the only people that promotes African football. Congratulations to South Africa. And the reason why I'm saying this is because if you look at the South African national team, sometimes, many times, they select players that play in their local leagues, like players who play in Kaizer Chiefs, players who play in the Orlando Pirates. They select players who play in their local leagues. But if you look at all other countries, you people, every time when it comes to national team football, You people always go and select players, start playing foreign leagues. Even though some of those players they don't even play good in their current teams, you go and select them because they play in big teams. What about your good players who play in your local leagues? What about them? What about this? Is what Samuel Eto'o in Cameroon is trying to change. This is what Eto'o is trying to change in Cameroon. This is the problems he's going through in Cameroon. You people never, not even once, you don't even select players that play in your current league that are good. Even bring them and put on the bench. No. 24-man list, 0 players playing in your local league. 0, not even one. Congratulations to South Africa. South African people, let's keep our hatred aside today. I'm not going to insult you people today. Today I'm congratulating you people. Congratulations to you.
You
people.
love us.
Well done. Bravo to you people. Bravo. You people are the only people that promote African football. Congratulations to you people. Congratulations. One love.
Piano kuthi sihlangane la epiano hub. It's because sinenkinga entsha sha. Bathi ipiano lifile. Ngesilungu bathi it's the death of amapiano. So ngizomaka iregister lama code wamapiano. Siyazwana na. Ngizokala ngama breadwinner wale industry yamapiano. Abantu abanenze ukuthi niphume kasi niyohlala eMidrand nasere parks. Okay? Right.
MFR Souls.
Comes out a small DJ Maporisa, Kelvin Momo, Dem Judah, Mdu TRP, Shala Sticks,
I'm a goat.
Sfazo RT, Sean 101, the musical chef, Scroof and Nkuli. Scroof and Nkuli ninenu kumele ngilungise nini? Real music, Soul Revolver, Sebebe Muroki, Bandros, Sandy, Jalik Nanatula, Scots Mapuma, Cowboy, Limek Crazy, Nkosasa Nadocha, Youngster man, Setril. Wena ngimelulungisa indaba zakho naseTrilweni. Wena Babalo M, Robot Boy. Wena everywhere nje. Everywhere robot. Mahu. Sihle. Uncool MC. Zingumalo. Masterpiece. Daliwonga. That's right. Ngicatile. All right. Ngoba uTracy naye ngjola naye noThato. Ngibafake. Tracy and Thato Hatsi. Ngivala kanjalo ke ilist yama goat wamapiano. Siyazwana? Mangabe umngani wakho akekho kule list le. Umtshela ukuthi they must pull up their socks. Mtshela ukuthi influencer. Yalonga ukuphi uMass Music noThela ICU. Yalonga bakuphi labantu? They were supposed to be here. Yes sir.
Sukela abantu la. Ya ne.
Ngiyakutshela ngisashaya iwalk kanje ngidibana noNtibano uya kuSteve Ovu uyophindisela uyithole relaxile lokuthi polish ibhathu ahlale phezulu kwendaba ngiyakutshela ukusukuma kwakho Steve Ovu abuye ngokuzoshaya iSpani. Itshintsheke ngoNtibane indoda yamavodka ebuyisa amandla ngo40% ABV yamanzi waseEurope.
I'll be back. Did you just slap me?
Agape. Funa nestu.
I'll be back.
Ngiyakutshela since ngishaye walk ngigcine sengibona abosamora bacazulula igameko negora.
Ndodana bathi mosusha umuntu oho. Manje mina ngiyokunika kanjani imali ekubeni usha umuntu oho? Mina ngenaphi ukuthi mina ngisha umuntu oho? Ngangisho wena uthi umuntu onsundu ngisho wena. Hayi bafitha nini kancane nginike imali. Okay. Nayi imali.
Ubanikeza i-discount mfana.
Ulamani njani man? Khukhu ngomuntu omnyani nje. Fihlile man last week, ayishapa nye. Atamfumana man fumana.
Ngiyakutshela Masutha amtshelile ukuthi ipiga zitshontshe ubani.
Azulu man will give you flowers and say, nazi izinto zakhe ezibuye esitolo.
Hawu, zakhaliswa zimbali.
Leyo nto bengisanda kuyenza kubhebi.
Into zakho.
Ngathi ngibuye emsebenzini, ngathi mangifika esofeni ngaphonsa 100,000 owucash etafuleni. Ngathi nangu ushintshe osale ngithenga isinkwa owakho.
Mina nginqena ukufika nesikhwama seJimmy Choo. Fike nesikhwama seLouis V. Fike nesikhwama seGucci. Konke kanye ngiphose lapha empedeni. Ngithi nayi le nanze nzeni. Enhlanyisayo. Ngisho ngibe ngiphuma.
Be like akuvule lapho ubheke lento le ukuthi yakulingana. And then you open, it's a box beautifully wrapped, and then there's jewelry inside.
Mina anginqeni ukuvele ngifike namateke eGucci, ibhluke lakhona nesketi neskipa nekepisi. Yonke into ethi Gucci from toes to head. Mase ngithi mi baby. Awuvula ubone nakho okuncane engikucoshile.
Nawe nje uhlezi ukhaliswa ihappiness kusho ukuthi ubujola nathi.
Or you say to him, "Oh, please bring me McDonald's." And then the McDonald's comes, but inside that paper bag there's also like a box of diamond earrings.
Ensukwini ngenza isimanga ke. Ngavele ngamthatha saye egarage ngingamvalile namehla siyenze leyo nto samadoda amaZulu. Ngafike ngavula igarage ngonyawo kanje isicapha sayikhuphukela. Ngathi awuvule la ubone ukuthi yakufanela ngimthengile iLamborghini latest nakhona cede ngamshiye babaze jabula ngayo ilalela bengizela.
Mina uyazi ngeke ngamthatha saye airport. Safike sagibela i-private jet. Ngingamtshelanga nje ukuthi ubani owuna le private jet. Ngayivalela umlomo nje. Sahamba nge-private jet. Sithe sesisemoyeni ngathi mina angizwa kahle. Ayiyona lento bengiyitshela ukuthi iyona le private jet. Ngathi mina ngiyakupha ithathe. Uthe sakhale sascreama Nkosi yami sajabula esathi hawu. Ngiyabonga. Ngavele ngayigqokela iparachute. Ngivula umnyango ngezehlela. Ngishiya waqhubeka nohambo. Sengimphile i-private jet. Ngathi angayithatha. Ngazehlela ngayibuyela ngayela ekhaya. Simple. Ayikho into special ngalonto.
And whenever you go in to kiss and say thank you, they make this face like
ungangiqabula mangekunika imiliyoni. Kodwa nje mina usuku ungidelela mawuzongiqabulela ukuthi ngikuphe 150k. Kodwa phela kumina leyo mali ushintshwe sinkwa yabo. Mangiqabuleli mina imali encane.
Mina 150k angazi nokuthi yini. Lento ngithi mangiphuma la eminyango ngweqe la eminyango. Ngize ngithethisa izingane ngithi mina yeni naqathaza imali yelanje esikoleni nezophathana nezodlala esikoleni nakhona ka one day
100,000
nezodlala. Sengithethisa izingane.
It's like they disappoint in themselves for doing that.
Ngihlale eKokras indlwane enama tiles i1 estrating. Ngiyaqhoma ufuna ukuthi
lamaka minister yakho kunemshilo
Ikasi Chronicles.
Yaje Romi la ke intwana enyane uSouth
Thaka yakona
bona naki hayi etsa 20 hayi mamela ngitshele 23 years yabantibela yesu kanti ayifatu wow kamala kala rewe
na 12 years
asihlaba ulamqhashi
Baphisa.
12 years Skole sefini
uthoke ma wena abantu abafana lejuzi bahle
bafana bafini
ana le pasa aka shwa ba se aluma se wa uka makhata ke ma motho le ma se tsamelo ka fedita etsa
selelo yawe
They will end up fighting those ones. Yo. Kasi Chronicles. Oh, Taxi Chronicles.
Bolo ya egere ke man o le go ntunga a itse be go raki no membra da mala
a bere sa ba
ye da mulata dire mama ona mana ba shimane ne beno wa utsa bolo beno o itse hore ba tele ka ngala ba ka ba shimane abe wa dire na le difference of football le soccer ya soccer ke abanyana football ke majile ke re bona ba no government ya re ile mawaza ra mapasa ke mokhalile strong malo ka moza ro tsere bana o ba ila di nurse wa tsa ba sari wa ba ila mapolisi ene o ka stop a crime ya re ma bubutis mo mo o tsa bana o ba ila di nurse o tsa ba sari wa ba ila mapolisi okay the crime o fitse ba ka mo sukalana le biditse ka mo o itse kana tale ola wa metro police ka re wena wa utsa di quantum tsa ba fana ba ka mo tsebe ka go botsa Mandela yo ka lora Mandela a pere dia for the black the tie swing e tlhalosa gore eng tae taba eo gore keep on street as ke strata e se ntse sa pere tae white how is taba eo oh my god ka lora bari modimo wa lwana o marapela
modimo wa lwana
Garo ai se biti ji. Wale ki gugure ki professor modimo sere ki. Kala kala marapa. Modimo ro fon. Satani le je sa ba utlwane. Ene we zuri je so ke mwana nyati. Ke la simo. Ene Satani ke first bona modimo. Yo. Apo sale ba lo Satani sala go di. Ape ki yena mwana modimo.
Aya kae.
Ba ga mola se ke bona la ndile le sala ko. O itse taba eo. O di mana ba mo go khotsa ke le go central a jareng. Magistrate of why ne le ropa SBV. Mara ke Satan. Kan ke ntse na brother ya Satan. Kana wa no ya ke bitsa Satan. O no tsene ka pele. A ke teng go mora ko. Ga imisa ko ga magistrate ho. O re ke Satan. Magistrate ya. Mo ne le Satan. Satan ai disilo. Ebile maloba manaka mo wanya twa mani. Ya funda ikile mwana, dibizo la ke Satan. Satan. Como basi asikika kote.
Top 5 snacks that are popular in Ekasi. If you're not from Ekasi or never lived in Ekasi, please. Number 5, pop shots. Besides the smell that you get when you open these, these are nice. You're lying. I can eat 5 packets of pop shots in a row. Like the flavor, the sweetness.
Sweet 8.
Number 4, snack heaven. Especially the blue and the pink packet. Yeah, the rest, hi. Where I'm from, we call this tibatala. Because whenever you're hungry and you don't have money, when you buy these full, not entirely full, but then uyabambiza till you get home. This snack carried a lot of legends in high school. This one, Break, Snack Heaven, Topper, Aquila. The pizza flavor, it was nice, but only the blue and the pink one, yeah. Now for the top 3, and coming in at number 3. A lot of people want to put this number 1, but it's not for me. Go Slow. Go Slow is number 3.
I don't know those.
It's number 1 in terms of barbecue flavored chips. Go Slow, barbecue, top tier. But it's not number 2 or number 1. Second place, the most famous snack in the whole of Mzansi, Skopas, or people call it Amakip. Skopas. I don't know what flavor Skopas are, but perfect. It's to the point where you eat Skopas. You know how when you eat Skopas and your teeth become yellow? Like, it's not embarrassing when you've been eating Skopas, because we know good you're eating Skopas, you get it. And especially when you get one that has a lot of flavor, you know that, yeah. Coming in at number 1, the best Kasi snack, Stylos, the best.
I don't know.
This snack should be put next to Doritos. It should be on the aisles next to Doritos. The flavor, the packaging, everything about it. Number 1, top tier. And to the people that seal Stylos, hey, they must relax on that glue, whatever they use. Relax. Don't have to put so much. Why is it so hard to open?
You must have long nails. You'll manage to open. Thanks for making it this far, guys, and I appreciate your time. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, and share with family. See you on the next upload.
Shake